Okay, you join us here on the stage 2, beginning of stage 2, from Dubai to Brisbane. It's dawn. I'm not sure what time it is, probably, I don't know, but anyway, it's dawn. And we're just about getting ready to take off. It's a different aircraft. But anyway, we haven't got my private number on it, but never mind. It's going to be something like 37 hours according to, because I've only got a 737. It's going to be something crazily like 37 hours at 250 knots, but anyway, even though I've got 265 up there, but generally I fly at 250 knots. Now I don't normally do these long journeys, but this is purely, as I say, just for the crack really. I'm doing it to emulate my son, his journey. That's a bit of a steep rate of climb, frame loss as well there. He did this journey in May this year, so let's see how it goes. Let's get the 24 hours it says there. It did say 37 earlier on, but never mind. So we're going to follow that line right the way to Brisbane, and then I'll decide what aircraft I'm going to use. It's obviously going to be smaller than the 737, but we'll see how it goes. We're on just over a minute and a half at the moment, so I'll continue. Have a look at the plane and who's flying it. I love that view of the runways behind us. Let's see who's flying today. Looks like a woman pilot. Captain being there, first officer being there. So the jittering is caused mainly by the, well, totally by the computer, the software I should say, demanding huge demands, making huge demands on the computer, on the graphics card. But anyway, I have got it at quite a high setting for graphics, so maybe we'll have to have a little tweak to make it smoother. Hopefully it doesn't detract too much. Don't know what's happened there, no sound. I didn't hit pause. Don't know what happened there. Never mind. So a final pirouette to show you the views. Very nice. Beautiful. We're on 3.5 minutes, so I think that's going to do for now. I'll just end it with a nice exterior view here. And we'll see you on the approach to Brisbane. Cheers.